Place the total station on the calibration stand. Rotate the lifting section of the stand to adjust the instrument height until the center of the instrument is level with the optical tube in the middle of the stand. Then lock the height in place. After leveling the instrument, open the compensator interface. Record the compensator values X1 and Y1 in face 1. Then rotate the instrument 180 degrees to switch to face 2 and record the compensator values X2 and Y2 in phase 2. If the absolute value of X1 plus X2 or Y1 plus Y2 is greater than 20 seconds, it indicates that the compensator needs calibration. Go back to the main interface, tap Configuration, then Adjust. Enter the password 12345678 and tap OK to open the adjustment menu. Select Adjust. Tilt 0. Follow the prompts. Aim at the leveling target with face 1. Tap Next, then aim with face 2. Tap Next, and finally tap OK to complete the calibration. Next, verify if the compensator has been successfully calibrated. Open the compensator page again, record the current X1 and Y1, rotate the instrument 180 degrees, and record X2 and Y2. If the absolute values of X1 plus X2 and Y1 plus Y2 are less than or equal to 20 seconds, the calibration is successful. If the deviation remains large after calibration, you can perform calibration on the X-axis or Y-axis separately.